I'm no stranger when it comes to try mystery boxes. eBay, TikTok, Glossybox, I've tried lots of mystery boxes. And today we're gonna open a luxury beauty mystery box from Wowcher. Now, if you haven't heard of Wowcher, it's basically a website that sells like vouchers, like cheaper, so you can get yourself like a spa treatment, a getaway, a nice restaurant voucher. Here is the box that arrived from Wowcher, and it's squished right here, which is not a good sign. And you know what's the funniest thing? It's open. Basically, there was no tape, nothing to keep this box together. So I hope nothing is damaged here. So this box was $13.99 plus shipping, which was $3.99, but it's supposed to be like 96 quid or something worth of products. So I'm gonna look in right now to see what's inside, like finally. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one by one each product that I have in this box. So the first thing that I've got, it is this Mario Badescu Pore Minimizer Skincare, which I think it's like a mini size. It feels super light and it says skin types all. It's a nice little skincare thing. I mean, we're off to a good start. Next up that intrigued me is this little XX bottle, and this is definitely from XX Revolution, and it's a blush tint rosy, but it says tester. I don't know how much this is worthy. Maybe I'll look online and see the actual cost of this product. So not impressed by a tester, but the show must go on. Next up we have again a product from Revolution, and it's called Ceramide Lip Swirled Lip Gloss from Revolution, like I stated. And funnily enough, on the back it says again it's a little tester. Next up we have a little skincare product, and it's from the same brand, Mario Badescu. This is Drying Patch, a clear adhesive patch that helps to flatten and dry up pesky problems effectively and quickly while soothing skin. It's like proprietary blend plus salicylic acid, hydrating and soothing. Maybe this is actually gonna come in hand because lately I've been having so many pimples, and I get it's from all the sugar and chocolate logs and Christmas stuff. But you know, a little skincare thing. And I know that this brand is not cheap, correct me if I'm wrong. Next up is a product that intrigued me very much because it's in this black sleek design, and apparently, oh wow, so it's a Sarah Jessica Parker Luxe Body Cream, 100 ml. I mean, this looks bougie, and if you know Sarah, you know she is bougie. I'm wondering how much this is, but I'm really impressed by this one. Like, you know, the packaging was flashing at me straight away, and I was not wrong. I quite like this one. Next up we have a little Escada, and it's a little moisturizing perfumed body cream in 50 ml, made in Monaco. I am so excited to find out how much this costs. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen, but like, this looks again bloody luxurious. I think it is a little mix of like skincare and makeup, which is great. Next I have this Avant 30 ml, and it is a little hyaluronic tocopherol, basically vinyl concentrate refining serum, made in Italy. It looks again very bougie. I think they love Revolution because it's the third product from this brand, and I have here a Blur Stick Bright Universal Face Primer in 0.42 oils, so basically 12 grams. And the next product that I have is from a brand called Ameliorate Transforming Body Lotion. I basically have the third body lotion, which is great, I'm not complaining. And this is specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, rough skin, ingrown hairs, 50 ml. Okay, we have another product from Revolution, and this is a little Mousse Revolution Makeup Shadow. So I think it's a little eyeshadow in the shade Gold. Next up, I have a very tiny product. This has 20 ml, and it's from a brand called AC Spa Manicure. So it's intensive hand lotion, coriander oil plus glycerin. So I think it's a little, you know, care for your nails, for your manicure. And we have again a product from Revolution, and this is Mousse Revolution. I think it's a blush and it's in the shade Soft Pink. It's super bulky and chunky. I think this had, I don't know how many grams it has, but it's incredibly heavy. I don't want anyone to smack me in the face with this. Perhaps the biggest thing that I have in this box, in this mystery box, is this Live and Love Makeup Obsession London. So it's a little palette. It's called Love Blush and Light Palette. Contains 6 blush and highlighting professional powder shades. And last but certainly not least, I've got a product from Bare Minerals. And if you know that this is quite of an expensive brand. This is Prime Time Original Pore Minimizing Primer Base in 15ml. Clean without compromising performance. So I've got in total 14 products, a good mix of skincare and makeup, and I think it was a successful box just because it had some of the most random brands ever, except Revolution, and it was fun. Like, you know, I did not expect it's gonna have such interesting and exciting products, and for 15 quid this is definitely good value. Like, I could tell only like 3 of these products would be like 15 quid. It's safe to say we did well this time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see me unboxing more mystery boxes, then do let me know, and please comment down below which one of these products is your favorite, or if you have tried any of them. And yes, like, subscribe, and see you next time. Mwah. Bye!